Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about business model canvas for Boeing. So now the sessions hand over to the students. Students are elaborately discuss about the 9 points of the business model canvas. So the first the BMC going to present Sasat Prabhu.
Good morning, everyone. I am talking about customer segmentation and value proposition. The slides explains who our main customers are and what value we offer to them. Customer segments. We focus on four main groups: major airlines, cargo operators, defense and governments, business and leasing firms. First one, major airlines. They include full service and low cost carrier that purchase new aircraft to expand routes or replace older fleets. Next one is cargo operators, freight companies and a logistics integrator looking for high capacity fuel efficient cargo aircraft and conversion services. Third one, defense and governments, military and government agencies that require surveillance aircraft, specialist platform and long-term support for national securities. Last one, business and leasing firms. The leasing companies and corporate operators that buy or lease aircraft and rely on aftermarket service like maintenance and upgradables. The next one is value proposition. We deliver value in four key ways: advanced aerospace engineering, reliability and safety, comprehensive lifecycle support, scale and customization. The advanced aerospace engineering, efficient aircraft design with reliable propulsion systems. The next one, reliability and safety, backed by decades of certification, operational data, and a continuous improvement. Third one, comprehensive life cycle support, maintenance, spare parts, training, and a digital monitoring service. Last one, scale and customization solution across commercial, cargo, and defense sectors with flexible configuration option. Thank you. The next one is explained by Abhishek.
Good morning, everyone. The slide explains how Boeing reaches customers and builds long-term relationship across the aircraft life cycle. First, the sales channel. Large airlines companies typically buy the aircraft through the direct sales. These financial institutions purchase jets and lease them to the operators, lowering upfront cost and expanding Boeing's global reach. After delivery, the sales network becomes critical and Boeing supports operators through the maintenance, repair, and overhauls centers. Finally, the customer relationship does not end at delivery. Dedicates accounts teams and management each aircraft long-term service agreement and gradient after the training simulators helps pilots and technicians operate safely. Overall, Boeing is not just sells airplanes; it just sells the dedicates of operational supports and trust. Thank you.
So now I'm going to talk about revenue streams and financial growth. Especially, Boeing is a number one largest aircraft manufacturing company. When Boeing started manufacturing planes, then the aircraft sales have started literally growth their large amount of income and strategy. The large one-time sales are commercial and defense platforms, primary their revenue driver. They sell more of the platforms into the market, and now it's the number one top manufacturing company. After the market services, long-term recurring revenue of MRO spares, upgrades, trainings, and digital subscriptions. Most of the companies are followed by them. Landings, leasing, and financing. These self-financing for other least amount of cost. They produces old planes for their low amount costs and contribute their steady cash flow. They also made defense manufacturing planes for programming multi-year defense processor and sustain contracts with governments. These are the main process of growth of Boeing company. Thank you.
Meaning to all. Let us see about the key activities. Design base. The base in a net click and content. Certification. The certification is based of the creations. Protection. Protection based on the delivery and the rocket ship. Key activities. Design and engineering. The concept of aerodynamic system integration and the regulatory certification. Manufacturing and assembly. Precision and the protection of the supply chains or coordination and the financial assembly and the testing. Certification and compliance. The regulator approval safety audience and the continuous of airworthiness of management. Aftermarket support. MRO main training, digital service and the felt optimization sustain long-term value. Key partners. The engines and system are supplies Rolls-Royce, GE, Pot and widely equivalents for propulsion avoidance of systems. Tires manufacture. The wings and the fusages or composite specialists provide critical assemblies. Leaser and the airlines. The strategies of customer who are co-design, finance, field and programmers. Government and the regulators. The pronouncement of the agencies create certification authorized and the defense partners. Last one, cost structure. The Boeing majorly cost center of the capital intensity of the production long cycle programs and the sustainable of operations. The manufacturing and the material of the cost, composite metals, engines and the avoidance procurements. R&D and supplication. The design testing of the flight, drivers and regulatory compliance and the workforce of fatalities to skill laboratory plans and the operations and the specifications toolings. After the communities of the warranty spare inventory long-term service obligations. The program of financial and capital expenditure, suitable protection and the lines of technologies investment. Thank you to all.